Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, we will continue with user management commands from the last session. So, without further ado, let's get started. Groups in Linux allow administrators to organize and control user access to various resources and files. Using groups, we can group together a number of users, and set privileges and permissions for the entire group. A group is a collection of users with similar permissions or access levels. Groups make it easier to manage and assign permissions to multiple users at once, enhancing security and simplifying administrative tasks. Let's create a new group in Linux. To do that, we use group add command. To perform these actions, we should either log in as the root user or use the sudo command before executing our user management commands. I'll use the second method. Use sudo space group add space group name. Every new group created is registered in the file /etc/group. To verify that the group has been created, we can use sudo space tail space /etc/group. Here you can see the group we newly created is listed in the group file. We can change or modify the existing groups on Linux system. To modify groups, we use group mod command. Let's change group name with group mod command. I will choose the group named example_group to change the group name. Use sudo space group mod space -n space new group name space old group name. Let's check if the modification has happened. Here you can see both old group and new group in terminal with same group ID, and group name has been updated. Let's change group ID with group mod command. I will choose our modified group new_example_group to demonstrate this command. Use sudo space group mod space -g space new group ID space group name. Let's check if the modification has happened. Here you can see both old and new group IDs in terminal with same group name, and group ID has also been updated. Now, let's delete the new _example_group that we modified a minute ago. To do that, use sudo space group del space group name. Let's check if the modification has happened. Here you can see the deletion has happened. Now, let's create a new user called example_user using user add command. When we are creating a user, the system will automatically create a group and a home directory for that user. Let's check the group that has assigned to the user using id space username command. You can see both group name and username are same. Now, let's try to delete group with group del command. It does not allow us to delete the group. It says group del command cannot remove the primary group of user example_user. So, that means we are not allowed to delete the group until all the users assigned to that group have been removed. There is a way to remove the group even if users are still members of the group. User del command will fail unless the -f option is used. If we want to forcefully delete a group, we can use the -f option. Let's try it now. Use sudo space group del space -f space group name. Now, let's check the user with ID space, username command. Here you can see the group ID is still root to the deleted group, but group is already deleted. Let's check if the deletion has happened in /etc/group file. Here you can see the group has been deleted. Using these commands, you can do the administrative tasks associated with groups, like add, modify and delete. Use man command to explore more options about the commands. You can experiment further and discover more about the commands. And let us know your finding with a comment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.